Hey, Jeaner, let's do the last one, which is question 13, which says how many grams of NaH2PO4 are needed to react completely with 273 milliliters of 7.59 molar NaOH. And then they give us an equation. So basically what's going on is they're asking us to calculate a grams from a reaction that's given to us. And so basically we have our molarity of NaOH, right? So molarity is equal to moles of solute over liters of solution, right? So we have 7.59 moles of solute, or moles of NaOH, over liters of solution. Okay, so I need, in order to go from our moles of our NaOH to moles of NaH2PO4 and then eventually to grams of NaH2PO4, I need to get moles of NaOH in the first place. That means I need to get rid of this liters down here. And so what I'll be doing is I'll be multiplying by 0.273, right? Because that's what we have up here. Let's get rid of that liters by multiplying by the amount of liters that I have by the molarity, 0.273 liters. And so what that gives me is 2.223 moles of NaOH. And then the way to go from moles of one thing to moles of another inside of a reaction is by using the reaction that they gave us. By looking at the reaction that they gave us, I see that 2 moles of NaOH, here let me write it out, it might be easier to see. I'm going to write it quickly though, so it may not be neat. Okay, so the right side doesn't really matter because we're only using the things on the left side. But basically, I have 2 moles of NaOH, and in the same reaction, I have 1 mole of NaH2PO4. So what that means is I could use that in a dimensional analysis thing. So I have 2.223 moles of NaOH. And I know that in my reaction, I have 2 moles of NaOH reacting with 1 mole of NaH2PO4. So when you do that, well, I'm going to go ahead and go straight to grams, but you could do these in 2 separate steps or 1 step, it doesn't matter. So now that this, excuse me, and this cancel, I'm left with moles of NaH2PO4, but what they're asking for is the grams of NaH2PO4, and so like you know, to go from moles to grams, all you have to do is use the molar mass. So I know that there's 119.98 grams per mole of NaH2PO4. And so what I have is 133.35 grams of NaH2PO4.